Hi everybody, if you're like me this year, you did nothing to winterize your lawnmower, came out to start it, to cut your grass, and found that it was completely dead. So here's how I fixed it. First thing I did was check the battery, which of course it was dead. So I put it on the charger and charged it at 2 amps for about a day and a half or so. If you don't have a battery charger, take it to Advance or O'Reilly, one of those places, and they'll get it charged up for you. Second thing I looked for was, is there fuel going into it? So this is the fuel line right here. This is the fuel filter. Fuel comes up through this hose, goes through this fuel pump, and then gets pushed through this hose down into the carburetor. This is my old fuel filter. Big difference there. And this is the old fuel, rather this one is the old fuel pump. So I replaced them. This and this were both on Amazon for like 13 bucks. So it wasn't too much. I think the worst part was the weight. So secondly, you have to get fuel through all of this, which means you need to get the engine running without fuel. So pop off your air filter there, spray some starting fluid down into it, and then we'll see what happens. That's awesome. Helps if I give it some choke, I suppose. So the carburetor still needs a little bit of work. There's some gunk inside of it. So my next video, I think, will be me taking the carburetor out, which is down in this area, and then doing a quick walkthrough on how to get that cleaned out and running the way it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching.